Howdy folks, Zach Smith, Pest Dude. I'm a little late to the game here. Busy, whatever. Deer mice will kill you. I'm not kidding. This isn't hyperbole. Look, if it's wild mice, you don't need to identify it. Be on the lookout, okay? Their urine, it dries up. It's in your shed, it's in your cabin, it's in your storage, it's wherever the mice have been hanging out. It becomes dust. You breathe it. You get Hantavirus sometimes. Hantavirus kills you like a third of the time you get it, you die. It's super deadly, okay? What was it? Gene Hackman's wife just died of it. People die of it all the time. You gotta wear like HEPA, right? You gotta be aware. You want to just don't blow or sweep a storage area that has mouse droppings. That's rule number one. Don't blow or make dust, even with a broom, if there's mouse droppings. I mean, I've been around mice droppings in sheds like my whole life. So I live. Anyway, lots of people die. Maybe I'll die. I don't know. But it's acute, it's toxic, it's terrible. Okay, so if you have mice in your house or whatever, and they're gray all over, probably not a deer mouse, okay? Mice are more brown on the top and white on the bottom, and they got a furrier tail. But don't wait to identify the mouse before you start being careful, okay? So if you're gonna vacuum, you need HEPA on your vacuum, or it'll just blow the virus right through the filter into the air and you'll breathe it. You can potentially, if you're qualified and you got it, if you get it right, you can disinfect before you clean up. But I'm not going to tell people to do that. I'm going to say, if you know what you're doing, you're going to do what you're going to do. You're not listening to me. Just don't laugh it off that what's a little mouse poop. I know I get lackadaisical myself. Just be careful, okay? People are dying every year from hantavirus, from little mice that get. The reason this came up was I was chatting with somebody on the YouTube comments on the channel, my channel, this channel, and they were like, the mice are getting in from outside. And I was thinking, I need to do a better job of warning everybody if the mice are coming in from outside, very likely wild field mice, deer mice, field mice. Okay? If it's wild mice and they're getting in from outside, I need to tell you, wear respirator. Now, HEPA, at least. N95 will not filter virus, okay? You want to be really careful, HEPA filtration. Now, there's a whole bunch of complications that go along with that. Professionally, when we issue respirators, we have to get cleared medically to do that, okay? We have to have a respiratory protection program, because when you're breathing through a respirator, you can actually pass out, especially if you have COPD or other inefficiencies in your pulmonary system. So I'm not telling you what to do. I'm suggesting you take this video and educate yourself further and make your decisions and talk to your doctor. And when in doubt, get the heck out and identify the mice. Have a pro. Look, just because I'm talking about a do-it-yourself channel doesn't mean you gotta do it yourself. Get a pro. Get it disinfected. If you really want to be comfortable and you've had a lot of mice in your house or in your storage, get it disinfected. Get the mice, kill the mice, clean it up. HEPA, disinfectant, respiratory protection. Are you getting the point? I don't have anything else to say. I just go in circles all night long here. I'll shut up. Take it easy. Be careful. Be safe. Rodents are no laughing matter for every reason. Rats, too. These things carry disease. Just fact of life. All right. Thanks, folks. Appreciate you checking out the channel. Hit me up in the comments below. I think the comments are down there. Any questions, comments, concerns you have, any topics you want me to cover, and I'll try to do it. Thanks.